Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best roux. To begin, you'll need equal parts fat like butter or oil and all-purpose flour. A good starting point is 1/4 cup of each. Melt your fat over medium heat, then whisk in the flour until a smooth paste forms. This simple combination is the foundation for countless delicious sauces and gravies, providing both thickness and flavor. Roux comes in various shades, each offering distinct flavor and thickening power. A white roux, cooked for just 2 to 3 minutes, is light and best for creamy sauces like bechamel. A blonde roux cooked 5 to 7 minutes develops a nutty aroma, great for velouté. For a deep, rich flavor, cook a dark roux for 15 to 20 minutes, perfect for gumbo, though it has less thickening ability. Avoiding common mistakes ensures a perfect roux every time. Always whisk continuously to prevent lumps and ensure the flour cooks evenly. Keep your heat at medium-low. Burning the flour will result in a bitter taste and an unusable roux. Remember, a 1-to-1 ratio of fat to flour is essential for the correct consistency and thickening power. Patience is key for developing flavor without scorching. Once your roux is perfectly cooked, it's time to incorporate it into your dish. For the smoothest results, gradually whisk cold liquid like broth or milk into a hot roux or vice versa. This temperature difference helps prevent lumps. Your perfectly made roux will now provide excellent thickening and a rich base for your soups, stews, and gravies. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.